Have you ever opened Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, or another streaming app on your smart TV only to find that you're signed out again? It feels like a small problem, but it can be a sign that something isn't working correctly in your TV's software. Here are the most common reasons why it happens and how to fix it. First up, storage. Your TV saves app logins in its memory, and if that space fills up, it starts clearing stuff out. Guess what goes first? Yep, your saved credentials. So take a minute to delete any apps you never use, clear the cache on the ones you love, and give your TV a quick restart. 9 times out of 10, that does the trick. If you're still getting booted out, check for software updates. Sometimes a glitchy firmware version messes up how your TV remembers those logins, especially after a restart or a power cut. Just head to your settings, see if there's an update for your TV or your streaming apps, install them, and reboot. Here's a sneaky one: your TV's date and time. If the clock's even a little bit off, those apps can freak out and boot you out for security reasons. Go into your settings, make sure date and time are set to autosync. It takes less than a minute, but it can save you hours of hassle. Power interruptions? If you're unplugging your TV without shutting it down, or your power's unstable, that can mess with your app data. Always power off with the remote first. And if your lights flicker a lot, invest in a surge protector. Sometimes it's not the TV, it's your streaming account. Password changed? Too many devices logged in? Just log in from a browser, kick off any unrecognized devices, then try your TV again. And if all else fails, clear the app cache or uninstall and reinstall the problem app. It's a pain, but it works. Work through these one by one, and your next movie night should be smooth sailing. Thanks for watching.